Here we go, Bitcoin baby. You do not want to miss this video because we are going to be telling you exactly what is going to be happening with this juicy Bitcoin pump. And make sure to subscribe to the channel because for the past week and a half, we have been telling you that this pump is inevitable. Last Monday, we were telling you about this bullish pattern. The last time Bitcoin printed this signal, it was the bottom. And last week, I told you guys I was in a long position looking for a move to the upside. And as you can see, I am building a long trade at this area looking for a move to the upside. And here we are, guys, 5 days later, up $22,000 in profits as Bitcoin has officially now confirmed a daily candle above our very important white box from yesterday. So this is very exciting. Make sure to like, subscribe, click the bell because we're going to be telling you exactly what is going to happen next during this juicy Bitcoin update. On the daily chart, the Bitcoin price has officially closed the daily candle above the last lower high in this local downtrend characterized by our high, our low, our lower high, our lower low, our lower high, and our lower low. We have officially now flipped market structure from bearish into bullish on the daily time frame. Not only that, but if we take a look at our volume profile here in the range we've been trading since February 28th, you can see we've also closed a very bullish candle above the value area low of this range. And if you saw my video yesterday, I was saying a close above this level, and especially a close above this level, is going to get me in buy the dip mode. Why is that? Well, because I believe we are seeing a reversal here with the potential of seeing Bitcoin eventually take out these highs. Why am I bullish? Why have I been bullish? Well, when we come down to market Cipher B on the daily time frame, like I mentioned last Monday, we are printing a signal that we have literally never seen since November 2022 when Bitcoin bottomed out at $15,500. But it looks even more bullish than it did back then. Why is this? Well, as you can see, as the price is getting lower over time here, the momentum waves on Bitcoin are making a low and then a higher low. This is known as the uneven butt cheek pattern, where once again, you have a juicy left cheek full of ravioli on the left, and you have a skinny right cheek full of no ravioli on the right. And when we superimpose these cheeks onto the chart right here, we can see, wow, the resemblance is striking. This is a very bullish symbol. In addition to that, we see the money flow getting higher over time on the daily. And in addition to that, when we look at this yellow line on market Cipher B, this yellow oscillator, we are seeing the yellow oscillator get much higher during our lower low than it was during our higher low. One more thing about market Cipher B that looks very, very bullish is the fact that the RSIs are touching together, right? We have two RSIs on market Cipher B. When they come down to the oversold territory, and especially when it looks like there's just one RSI where they're literally overlapping each other, this shows a very, very powerful move to the upside. When we see this signal on lower time frames, it usually gives us a massive push to the upside. It happened right over here. We could put a vertical line, and if we take a look at the chart, that was pretty much the bottom of the move before the big push to the upside. And now we are seeing this on our daily time frame as we are flipping major resistances into support. And by the way, if you want to take advantage of the volatility, trading Bitcoin and altcoins, I'm currently trading right now on MEXC, the best deal on fees that you could possibly imagine right here, plus 0% spot fees and over 1,500 altcoins to trade. Link in the pinned comment and description. And I'm also trading on an exchange called BLOFIN, which right now is offering a 15% cash back deposit bonus and does not require KYC. Links to both of these exchanges are in the description, and the pinned comment. Also, guys, if you want to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord, where every single day we have multiple instructors giving you their trade setups, going through their plans for the day, check out jasoncaspertrading.com. Click the link to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord, the best trading community in the world. Now, getting back to the Bitcoin price action, what do we need to be aware of? Right now, there's two major things we need to be aware of. Number one, the point of control of this range coming in at about 67,000, give or take. This is going to be a very key level. And if, let's just say, for example, the top really was in here, and this is our lower low, our lower high, and our lower low, then our next lower high is likely to come here, all right? $67,000. Also, if we take the Fibonacci golden pocket from the high to the low, lines up perfectly with the 618 Fibonacci level. Why is the 618 Fibonacci level so important? Well, as many of us do know, the 618 Fibonacci level is my high school crush. Her name is Six Juanita. And I thought she had a crush on me, but it turns out I was in something called the friend zone. And so when I asked her out on a date, she gave me the hand, she gave me the face, she broke my heart, she rejected me right from the 618 Fibonacci level. Now, what do we need to look for to see, are we going to get a rejection from that 618 Fibonacci level? We need to be looking at our oscillator. If we take again our fib from the high to the low, what we want to see as the price gets sucked up to this area is, are we forming bearish divergences on the lower time frames as the price is getting higher. Now, why did 618 reject me? It's because I was too nice, right? Why do girls like bad guys? I don't know. But she wasn't into your boy Jason Casper. No, she was into criminals like this guy, Sam Bankman-Fried. Sam Bankman-Fried chilling here, and if you take a look at his man boobs, very crooked, very upside down, money flow and man boobs getting lower with the red pepperoni nipples as the price is getting higher. So what we want to look for as we attempt to ask out 618 on a date is this. Are we seeing market Cipher B ticking lower on the 4 hour, on the 1 hour, actually giving us that dreaded upside down Sam Bankman-Fried man boob pattern on the chart? Because if the price is coming into that level and we see the opposite of the uneven butt cheek pattern, aka the upside down Sam Bankman-Fried man boob pattern, then honestly we could get a rejection from here. But given the fact that the daily time frame is so bullish, I will be honest, I am expecting the Bitcoin price to actually gain acceptance above this level. I do think 618 is going to go out with us this time. Why? Well, Sam Bankman-Fried's in jail, so he's not really available. But the second reason is because if we just look at this price action here, this sloppy descending channel, what does this mean? This means there is liquidity built up above these highs because people were they were shorting every rise we got, putting their stop losses above this high, putting their stop losses above this high, putting their stop losses above this high. We even know their stop losses above this high. And once we start to come above this level, we could see a short squeeze where we start to see those stop losses get triggered, which creates a cascading effect to the upside because every time a stop loss gets hit, a short stop loss in the order book is a buy order. And so we could see all these shorts get absolutely wrecked, and we can go for the liquidity that we have above these highs. So right now, based on the bullishness of the daily time frame, I am honestly looking to and holding my long trades to $72,000. And really, I've take profits set above 74K at around $75,000. But before we get there, right now, we need to be aware of a rejection from our high school crush at around $66,000 to $67,000. Just like how yesterday, I said if we can close a daily candle above this level, we will get gravitated up to the point of control. Right now, if we can close the candle above the point of control, we will get gravitated up toward these highs. So it's a level by level situation. Now, as I said in the beginning of the video, the fact that we have taken out this last lower high means we flipped market structure bullish. Let me explain what I mean. We had our high, our low, our lower high, our lower low. And so now that we've come above the last lower high in the downtrend, this is officially a reversal on the daily time frame, which means for me, even if we do get a rejection from the 618 and she breaks our heart, I will actually be looking now to buy the dip. I will be looking to buy the dip as we form now potentially an inverted head and shoulders pattern here to go for those highs. Because once the trend flips from bearish into bullish, that's when you can look for a higher low to come in. And our area of support is going to be right back down here around these lows. Of course, there are going to be other opportunities to get in if you're a lower time frame trader. Guys, that is it for today's video. May God bless everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah. Even if you're not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed. And I'll see everybody in the next video. Peace!